Chemical substances are divided into three categories: acid, bases, and salts. We use indicators to find out whether the substance is acidic or basic in nature. Phenolphthalein is one such indicator. Fill 1/4 of a test tube with dilute hydrochloric acid and add 2-3 drops of phenolphthalein to the acid. Shake it and then you will observe that there is no change in the color. The solution remains colorless. Now add sodium hydroxide solution drop by drop and keep stirring it till the pink color appears. Phenolphthalein gives pink color with base. Now add 1 more drop of dilute hydrochloric acid. You will observe that the solution again becomes colorless. Now add 1 more drop of sodium hydroxide solution. The color again becomes pink. So it is evident that when the solution is basic, phenolphthalein gives a pink color. On the other hand, when the solution is acidic, it remains colorless. When an acid solution and a base solution are mixed in suitable amount, both the acidic nature of the acid and the basic nature of the base are destroyed, and the resulting solution is neither acidic nor basic. If you immediately touch the test tube, you will find that it is hot. Heat is always produced, which increases the temperature of the reaction mixture. So in neutralization reaction, a new substance is formed. This is called salt. Salt may be acidic, basic, or neutral in nature. So we can describe neutralization reaction as the reaction between an acid and a base is called neutralization reaction. Salt and water are produced in this process with the evolution of heat. So in this reaction, hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide and form sodium chloride, which is a salt, and water, and heat is evolved. These reactions happen in the world around us, not just in a lab. A number of daily life activities such as brushing our teeth, washing our hair with shampoo and conditioner, gardening, and many more, all these use neutralization reactions. So the first example is indigestion. We know hydrochloric acid is produced in our stomach, and this acid helps in the digestion of food. But too much of acid in the stomach causes indigestion, which is sometimes very painful. If it is not controlled, it can cause stomach ulcer. To cure this, we usually take bases called antacid. An example is the milk of magnesia. It contains magnesium hydroxide, which is a weak base, which helps to neutralize the effect of excessive acid. As a result, it gives relief to a person suffering from indigestion. Second example is in the treatment of soil. We know plants grow well in neutral soil. Therefore, plants do not grow well when the soil is either too acidic or basic. For instance, the excessive use of chemical fertilizers make the soil acidic. Such acidic soil can be treated with bases such as quicklime or slaked lime. These bases neutralize the excessive acids present in the soil. As a result, the soil becomes neutral. And if the soil is too basic, the decaying organic matter called manure or compost is used to the soil. Manure is added because it can release acids which can neutralize the basic nature of the soil. Have you ever experienced an ant bite or a bee bite? Oh, that causes a lot of pain and swelling. And do you know why? Because these insects inject an acid called formic acid into the skin. This effect of the sting can be neutralized by rubbing that place using a mild base like baking soda, or by rubbing with calamine, which contain zinc carbonate, on the stung area of the skin. As a result, the person gets relief from the pain caused by the sting. Another example is in the neutralization of factory wastes. The waste substances which are discharged from the factories contain certain acids. If these untreated factory wastes are directly discharged into the water bodies, like ponds, lakes or river. Then the acid present in the waste substances will kill the fish and other aquatic organisms that live in the water. Therefore, the factory waste should be treated with basic substances to neutralize the acids present in the wastewater before discharging them into the water bodies. Brushing teeth with a basic toothpaste is another example of neutralization. When we eat something, few food particles remains in our mouth. With time, it decays and produces acid. It increases the concentration of acid in our mouth and result in the tooth decay. So it is advised to brush at least 2 times a day to balance this excess production of acid in the mouth. Toothpaste is basic in nature, which neutralizes the acid produced by the food particle. Formation of sodium chloride or table salt is also a result of neutralization reaction. If we take hydrochloric acid and mix it with a base sodium hydroxide, it results in the formation of sodium chloride, which is the table salt, and water. This reaction is exothermic in nature. It means a lot of heat is evolved during this process. Hope you enjoyed learning today. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.